Hello YouTubers, KAL Flyer here, coming at you guys with another video. This model is a highly anticipated, highly recommended model, and it's also a very late model on my end because this model came out a long time ago. I actually got this on eBay from a private seller. Today we will be reviewing the JC Wings 1200 Korean Air A380-800. And then Korean Air flies the A380 to 3 destinations in the United States. They actually fly a little bit more than that worldwide. But the 3 destinations that they use this model is Los Angeles International Airport, New York City, and then Atlanta. The registration number on this plane is HL7611. And then here is the front of the box. There is the top of the box, bottom of the box, and the side of the box, which looks the same on the other side. And then here is the back of the box. Go ahead and put that right over there. And then this does include where you can have it in in-flight configuration or on ground configuration when it comes to the landing gear. It does come with a stand, and there's a nice plaque, Korean Air Airbus A380-800, scale 1/200. And go ahead and put that right there. And then let's go ahead and I'm going to show you the model. It's a heavy one. I remember seeing this model on Easy Toys for about $149, and I didn't get it. I just slept on it, and then I finally got it now. Paid a little bit more than that. Paid about $189 for it, but it's a beautiful plane, and I think it's worth it. So there is the GP720. 7270 engines, excuse me. Let's go ahead and check. I can use the other side, that would help a little bit better. The sides do spin. Here is the front of the plane. What a beautiful plane. I'm not really a fan of the Airbus A380s and the 747s. I mainly just like the 777s and the 787s, but they're still nice planes. Alright. So the registration is 7611, which it's right there as well. Let's see if that will focus. There we go, 611. Using a smartphone on this, I apologize. And then the Korean writing right here, which is Daehan Hong Kong, which means Korean Airlines. Sky Team, they are part of the Sky Team Alliance. They're actually the founding members with Aeromexico, Air France, Delta Airlines, and then of course Korean Air. And then, as I hit the plane for a minute, right here is first class, and then the whole top is business, and then from here down is economy. There's the Airbus A380-800 writing, HL7611. The Korean flag, and they are the national carrier, and this is Taekuki, so it's the South Korean flag. EPU in the back. Here's the back of the plane, the APU and stand and gears. Here's the side. And this is a beautiful model. And of course the front again. Now I also have a 1/400 scale, and it's going to take me a minute to get it. But it's an Apollo model, and I'll show you the size difference with the Apollos to GC wings. Alright, so I'm back, and here is the 1/400 scale Korean Air. This one's actually broken. This is from Apollo models. And there's the size difference. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy these kind of videos. Please let me know. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated so I can improve my videos. Thanks for watching the Korean Air Airbus A380-800 GC Wings review.